Hello guys, I'm Despert. In this series I will teach you how to become a professional web developer without an university degree or an expensive bootcamp. You will learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript and much more. During the course we will proceed in a project-oriented manner so that you will have a really useful knowledge. Also, I will help you to show your knowledge to the world so you can reach your first front-end developer job as soon as possible. The videos will be short, so it's easy to watch in one sitting and thus easy to understand as we progress from week to week. And most importantly, the entire course is totally free. If you are interested, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out the latest content. Fasten your seatbelts, your front-end development career starts here.